Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour on CNBC-TV18. Well, while we are talking about all the secondary action, there's a new kid on the block as well, Smartworks Solutions, which is a co-working space or co-working company that listed on bourses today. And it was a 7% premium to the IPO price. It was a decent listing that we saw. However, the past listings that we have seen of some 20, 30, 40% premium, it has been a little muted against that, but still it's a 7% premium nevertheless. The company is a customized managed workspace solution space and it serves mid to large enterprises including MNCs, Indian corporates, startups. And as of 31st March, they had 738 clients with 1,68,541 seats. If you look at the financials, it is a loss-making company, though the losses, they have narrowed in the last couple of financial years. On March 2025, they did revenues of around 1,409 crore rupees with a loss of 63 crore rupees, which compared with loss of 50 crores before that and 101 crore rupees in the financial year 2023. Now, doing a peer comparison, because the peer in the listed space for them is office space solutions. In terms of revenues, yes, Smartworks has been more in FY25, around 1,374 crore rupees. The growth, however, for Smartworks has been lower at 32%. For office, it has been at 42%. And in terms of EBITDA, office EBITDA has been higher at around 32.5%, 33.5%. And it is a profit-making company versus Smartworks, which is still loss-making. Now, remember, we spoke to the company last time. They spoke about how they've added 1.5 million square feet in the last 3 months in terms of additional inventory. The focus is on mid and large size enterprises. They are seeing in demand from Indian companies, homegrown startups and more. And they raised these funds to cut down on their debt. They will be seeing debt of around 200 crore rupees post the IPO. The proceeds will be used for that. For now, the stock is up around 11.5%. So decent listing, so to say.
Decent listing indeed. You take that 12% gain, right, in a day like that. And since we are on the subject of IPOs, there's an issue that closed yesterday, Anthem Biosciences. It's a 3,400 crore rupee IPO, and the institutional bidding there was almost 193 times the shares on offer, and that made it the highest issue this year, which the highest institutional bidding for a 1,000 crore plus IPO size. So still the institutional activity and the IPO primary markets continue to buzz as we speak, and it'll be interesting to see how this stock lists a couple of days after on the bourses. Even the retail portion was subscribed close to 6 times the number of shares on offer. But moving on, JSW